And then came this so-called GNU. Remember, we referred to, by the way, the ANC of Ramaphosa. We should call this the GNU of you. A coalition not of conscience, but of convenience. A grand boardroom merger of political elites to just the privileged. A cult
Order.
of white monopoly capital. A celebration of
Honorable
Roman
Ndlela.
Dutch law, legal
Honorable
orthodoxy, while African majority
Honorable
remain
Ndlela.
landless.
Can you resume your seat, please? There's a point of order there. Can you take your seat? Mr. Ndlela?
Not can you take your seat. Please, honorable member, take your seat. Not can you take your seat.
What are you writing on?
Can Honorable Ndlela please tell us about the president of his party and the Epstein files while he's debating?
There's not a point of order. There's not a point of order. Resume your seat, Mr. Ndlela.
Point of
Let
order,
him
Chair.
explain what is the meaning of
Mr.
fact.
Ndlela.
Chair.
These are the kind of discussions that they have when they're having meetings. That's why this country is the way.
Order, Chair. Chair. Point of order.
Mr. Ndlela, resume your seat, please. There's a point
Down.
of order
Sit
there.
down.
Thank you very much, Honorable House Chair. Mr. Ndlela is misleading the House. He has come here and told us that it is a fact that the elections was rigged. They tried, they failed, the elections were free and
Thank
fair.
you.
He must
Thank
withdraw
you,
that
Honorable
statement.
Member.
Khulume ngane
Honorable member, there's a point
him
of
all your
discussion. there.
No, fact
I think
can't
your
be
members
discussion.
can be able to rebut that. Over to you, Mr.
The meaning of fact. Imali COVID iphi?